Let's bring into the light what so many experience in silence, a reality that often hides behind closed doors and quiet tears. This is the reality of a narcissistic relationship, a dynamic that can be as confusing as it is painful. It's not just a difficult partnership, it's a storm that quietly erodes your sense of self, leaving you feeling lost and unsure of who you are. A narcissist craves constant admiration, lacks genuine empathy, and hides a fragile self-esteem behind a carefully constructed mask of confidence and charm. This isn't just selfishness, it's a repeating pattern that chips away at your identity, making you question your worth and your reality. Imagine yourself as a vibrant garden, full of life and potential, and the narcissist as a weed that slowly, almost imperceptibly, suffocates your growth and joy. At first, you're showered with affection, what's known as love bombing. The attention feels intoxicating, and you may believe you've found someone who truly sees you. But soon, that support turns to control, and those sweet compliments become sharp criticisms. The warmth fades, replaced by coldness and unpredictability. They begin to isolate you from friends and family, making you question your own reality. This is called gaslighting, and it's deeply disorienting. You start to see yourself through their distorted lens, believing you're not enough unless you meet their ever-changing demands. Your confidence fades, and you find yourself walking on eggshells, afraid to upset them, losing touch with the person you once were. The relationship drains you, leaving you emotionally and physically exhausted, as if your energy and spirit have been slowly siphoned away. But recognizing this pattern is the first step to freedom. Awareness is powerful. It's the moment you begin to reclaim your life. The problem was never you. It was the toxic dynamic that kept you trapped. You are not to blame for someone else's manipulation. Understanding this isn't about blame, but about reclaiming your story, your voice, and your sense of self-worth. You deserve to be heard and supported. You've survived the storm. Now it's time to rebuild, to nurture yourself, and to let the sun shine on you again. Healing is possible, and your story isn't over, it's just beginning. If this resonates with you, please know, deep in your heart, that you are not alone in this journey. Even in your quietest moments, when it feels like no one could possibly understand, there are others who feel the same ache, the same confusion, and the same longing for clarity and peace. Millions of women across the world are walking this very path right now, feeling the same confusion, pain, and hurt. You are not isolated in your experience. You are part of a vast, unseen community. You are part of a silent sisterhood of survivors, women who have faced darkness and are now reaching for the light, together. Narcissistic abuse is often invisible, misunderstood, and deeply isolating. It can make you question your reality and your worth. Friends and family may not always see the truth, or may not understand what you've endured, but your experience is real and valid. Healing is not just possible, it's your right. You deserve to reclaim your peace, your joy, and your sense of self. The end of that relationship is not the end of your story. In fact, it's the beginning of your most important chapter. Coming back to yourself, rediscovering your strength, and embracing your true self. This is your awakening, your rebirth. There will be hard days, days when the pain feels overwhelming. But there will also be days of unexpected joy, laughter, and hope. Every small step forward, no matter how tiny it seems, is a victory worth celebrating. Each act of self-care, each moment of courage, is a testament to your resilience. You are seen, you are heard, and you are believed. Your story matters, and your healing matters. You are not broken, you are breaking free. Every day you are moving closer to the life you deserve. The strength that carried you through the hardest times will continue to guide you as you heal and grow. We are here with you, cheering you on, celebrating every milestone, and holding space for your journey. Your new life is waiting for you. Step into it with hope, courage, and the knowledge that you are never alone. After leaving, the silence can be overwhelming. Relief may come, but often, a wave of conflicting emotions hits first. You grieve not just the person, but the future you imagined. Self-doubt lingers, gaslighting echoes in your mind. You question your memories, your feelings, your reality. These doubts are residue from their control, not your truth. The trauma bond is real, a cycle of mistreatment and sudden kindness that's hard to break. Missing them isn't weakness, it's psychological conditioning. Breaking free is painful, but essential. Healing has no timeline. Some days you'll feel strong, others fragile. Allow yourself to feel everything. Your emotions are messengers. You can't control the storm, but you can steer your ship. Trust your compass. You're heading toward calmer shores. You are not lost. You are finding your way home. Now begins the work of coming home to yourself. Rediscovering who you are is an act of love and rebellion. Start small, ask, what do I need right now? Reconnect with old passions. Paint, dance, walk in nature, read. It's not about perfection, but about connection to your true self. Use affirmations to replace the negative voice with your own truth. Look in the mirror and say, I am worthy, I am strong, I trust myself. Even if it feels strange, your mind is listening. Reclaim your space, rearrange your home, create a sanctuary just for you. You are the main character in your story again. Your thoughts, feelings, and dreams matter. You're not just surviving, you're planting seeds for an authentic life. This is your time to shine. Your light is returning brighter than ever. Welcome back to yourself. Building a new life requires the right tools. Therapy is essential. Find someone who understands narcissistic abuse. A therapist can validate your experience and help you rebuild. Community matters. Find support groups or trusted friends who believe you. You are not alone. Connection is powerful. Journaling helps process your thoughts and track your progress. Write your feelings, memories, and victories. Your journal is your confidant. Practice setting boundaries. Reclaim your right to say no. Boundaries are acts of self-respect and protection. Start small, limit contact with unsupportive people. Unfollow toxic accounts. Each boundary reinforces that you matter. You are the gatekeeper of your energy. Choose what and who you let in. Every step is a declaration of your worth. You are building a life on your own terms. You've cleared the rubble and laid a new foundation. The hardest part is behind you, and you've proven your strength by facing the mess head-on. Every piece you moved, every tear you shed, was a step toward reclaiming your life. Now it's time to build your queendom. Imagine each day as a brick, each choice as a beam, constructing a future that's uniquely yours. This is about creating a life for you, not for revenge, but for joy. Let happiness be your motivation, not proving anyone wrong. Dream again. Write down your goals for career, health, and growth. Let your imagination run wild, and don't hold back. Your dreams are valid, and it's time to give them space to grow. Pursue what you put on hold. Let your work rebuild your confidence. Every small achievement is a reminder of your capability and resilience. You are more than someone's ex. You are talented and needed. Your worth is not defined by your past, but by the incredible person you are becoming. Find new sources of joy. Try new things, take classes, travel, say yes to life. Explore the world with curiosity and let new experiences fill your heart. Create positive memories to replace the painful ones. Fill your days with laughter, beauty, and moments that remind you of your strength. Celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. Each victory, no matter how tiny, is a testament to your growth. Buy yourself flowers, take a bath, acknowledge your progress. Treat yourself with kindness and recognize how far you've come. You are the architect of your new reality. Every decision you make shapes the life you're building. This is your upgrade, not just a rebuild. You're not just fixing what was broken, you're creating something even better than before. You are creating a legacy of strength and self-love. Your journey inspires others and your courage lights the way. Your queendom is founded on resilience. Every challenge you've faced has made you stronger and wiser. Step into your power. This is your time. Embrace your journey, trust your process, and know that you are unstoppable. We've walked from the shadows to the light together. Now you stand at the threshold of your rebirth. Your scars are proof of survival, not your definition. You are the phoenix, reborn, stronger, unbreakable. Embrace your resilience, it's your superpower. You've gained wisdom and compassion from your journey. You understand pain and can now cherish joy. Your future is unwritten and you hold the pen. This next chapter is about empowerment and self-love. You are the author of your story. Make it a bestseller. Keep seeking support, journaling, and showing up for yourself. You are on a sacred journey back to your heart. You have reclaimed your throne. Walk forward with your head high and your spirit shining. The world has been waiting for you. Welcome back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for our regular uploads. Also like, share, and comment. Stay blessed.